My name is Lina. I'm 25 years old. I live in a small city. I work in a clothes factory. I stitch shirts and dresses. The work is long, money is little. My hands hurt every day, but I keep working. I live in one small room. It has one bed, one table, one old fan. In summer, it is very hot. In winter, it is very cold. My parents died years ago. I have no brothers, no sisters. No one waits for me at home. Every night I eat rice and tea, sometimes only bread, sometimes nothing. But every morning I stand up. I go to work. This is my life. One day at the factory, a man came. His name was Ryan. He was the owner's son. Everyone was afraid of him. He shouted a lot. He never smiled. He fired workers very fast. I did not like him. He did not like me. One day my machine stopped. I tried to fix it. Ryan came behind me. "You are slow," he said. "You waste time." I looked at him. My heart burned. "I work very hard," I said. "You only shout." He looked shocked. No one talked to him like that. From that day, he became my enemy. He watched me. He tested me. He gave me more work. Sometimes he spoke cold words. Sometimes I cried in the bathroom. I hated him, and he did not trust me. One evening after work, rain started. My bus did not come. I stood alone on the road. Then a car stopped. Ryan was inside. "Get in," he said. I did not want to, but the rain was strong. My clothes were wet. I got in. We did not talk. Only the rain made sound. After some time, he said, "You are brave." I looked at him. He never said kind words before. "Why?" I asked. "Because you do not fear me," he said. That day something changed, but only a little. Days passed. He stopped shouting at me. He started helping me. One day he fixed my machine. One day he brought tea, but I still remembered his cold face. He was still my enemy. Then one morning, the owner called me. "You will marry Ryan," he said. My heart stopped. "What?" I asked. "You need money. Ryan needs a simple wife. This marriage will help both." I walked out shaking. Marry my enemy? The man who hurt me? The man I hated? That night I cried. I sat on my bed. I looked at the wall. I had no money, no family, no choice. After 2 days, I said yes. The wedding was small. No music, no party. Ryan wore a black suit. I wore a simple white dress. We stood in front of the man. We held hands. His hand was warm. Mine was shaking. "We are married," the man said. Just like that, I married my enemy. Ryan's house was big and quiet. It had many rooms, many windows, many lights. I felt small inside it. That night I stayed alone in my room. Ryan did not come. He gave me space. That surprised me. The next morning he made tea. "Good morning," he said softly. I looked at him. This was not the factory, Ryan. We ate in silence, but the silence was calm. Every day he changed. He spoke less. He listened more. One day he said, "I was angry before. Life made me hard." I looked at him. "Why me?" I asked. He said, "Because you are strong." My heart moved a little. One evening I became sick. I had fever. Ryan brought soup. He sat near me. "Drink," he said. I looked at his eyes. They were not cold now. They were gentle. That night, I understood something. My enemy was changing, and maybe I was changing too. Days turned into weeks. We cooked together. We drank tea together. We talked about small things. One day he smiled. For the first time, real smile. "You look beautiful when you paint," he said. My face became warm. I did not hate him anymore. One night we sat near the window. The moon was bright. Ryan looked at me and said, I was wrong before. I hurt people. He held my hand. I don't want to hurt you. My heart beat fast. I married you as an enemy, I said, but now I see you as a man. He moved closer. I see you as my home, he said. Our lips met softly, not hate, not fear, only warmth. Months passed. The factory felt far. The house felt safe. I laughed more. I smiled more. One morning I told him, I don't feel alone now. He smiled. Neither do I. One day I looked at him and said, I married my enemy, but I found my love. He held my face and said, sometimes enemies become blessings. I smiled, and I knew what started with hate ended with love.